Varka there. Welcome to this video, and in today's video I will be showing you how we generated more than 200 plus conversions, qualified conversions for a event venue space. And in this video I will explain each and everything you need to know if you are event venue space, like how to run Google Ads for event venue space, how you can make money using Google Ads for your event venue space. These kind of queries, I will answer all of these things today in this video. Just stay with this video and I will show you each and everything you need to know about this event venue space. So in my screen you can see this is a campaign actually we are running. This is only one campaign we are running under this account. It's a purely search campaign and we have like lots of ad groups here. You can see like 11 ad groups, and if I just select the date range, like we started this campaign on 18 August in last year. So I just adjust the date range from August 1st to till today, and you can see like we generated like 200 plus highly qualified conversions. Again, why I'm telling this highly qualified conversions, because these we ask lots of questions on the landing page from. Basically we use two things on our landing page site. One is from submissions and one is phone calls. Mostly in this space people feel free or people feel comfortable just submitting the landing page instead of directly call us. But here you can see like we got 70 plus calls, but all calls are not recorded as a conversions because we track 60 seconds, more than 60-second phone calls as a conversions. That's why not every phone calls code as a conversions inside the Google Ad account. I will show you each and everything. And so far we spent only 10 grand. I believe you have a question why we spent 10 grand. Like we started this campaign using only $20 a day, and then we increased to the $25. This kind of increment we gradually increased. Right now you can see the campaign budget is 95, but it was not 95. Last 2 months ago actually we increased the budget to the 90, I believe 70. Then we increased the last week we increased the budget to 95. That's why right now you can see it's $95 a day budget, but it was not actually $95 a day budget. So let me break down the campaign a little bit more from here. So here you can see like we have three types of conversion actions: call from website, submit lead from, and call from extension. So if I just show you one by one, call from ad, call from website is 23 and call from extension is 21. So that means we have 44 conversions recorded from website plus call from extensions. But on the phone call tab you can see like 74. That means we didn't track all the phone calls as the conversions. Why? Because we care about the quality, not the quantity. That means if someone calls and just hang up, let's say it's a hang up, or maybe it's a wrong call, we don't track as a conversions. We track as a conversion if the phone call length is more than 60 seconds. Again, it depends on the clients. For some clients we track 25 seconds, for some clients we track 30 seconds, some clients we track 60 seconds, 45 seconds. It depends on the client. I highly recommend you guys, if you can record conversions above 60 seconds is really great. If not, then I think 30 is fine. 30 seconds phone call length is fine. Anyway, we got 44 valid calls from call from website and call from extensions, and submit lead from is 168 total. So overall, if we just count all of these things, we got 212 lead, qualified lead, and our cost per is like $51, which is a little bit expensive nowadays. But yeah, we are trying to decrease the cost per conversion because we started to test a new landing page on this field, and I believe we are doing some A/B testing. Probably in next couple of weeks we can down it, like let's say 40 or maybe 38. Our target is 35 right now. If we just down this 35, I think it would be fantastic. But yeah, we are trying to do this. I believe we can do that because it was more than that, but right now it's 51, around $51, which is good. And if I just explain this campaign a little bit more, you can see the impression share. Search impression share is almost like 14%. There is a huge opportunity. If we can increase the budget, we can touch the ceiling actually. And you can see like search lost absolute is due to budget 42%, and you can see like rank is 44% almost. So around 45% almost. For these, budget is a factor as well. On this campaign I can say budget is a really good factor. and this is the one and only factor, to increase the lead volume. So we are testing two things right now. We are testing the landing page, like A/B test in the landing page side in GHL, of course, and we are pushing client if they can increase the budget a little bit more. And as I said that, like, the budget was really bad previously, but I requested the client, then they increase the budget, and because sold like lots of jobs, that's why they increase the budgets. So they are really happy and they are working with us for a long time, and under this MCC account we have couple of clients as well. So yeah, they are really happy. So if I just show you a couple of keyword, our best performing keyword, you can see the best party venue, banquet hall near me, venues for baby shower, these kind of keywords, and we got lots of conversion from these kind of keywords. If I just show you, and you can see the cost per conversion, like $40 for best party venue and $38 for banquet hall near me, and venues for baby shower is like almost like $22, and same thing like banquet hall for rent near me, it's like only $19, right? So we are doing our jobs. Probably overall the cost per conversion will be down to the $35 in next couple of weeks. I'm really hopeful in that part, and I believe you got a proper understanding, like what types of keyword you should use, how to break down the campaign, these kind of things. And if you have any questions regarding the Google ad campaign setup, just let me know. I can definitely help you on that part. And if you need landing page support, Google ad support, Google ad management, white label, if you're a business owner who wants to grow your business with Google ads, of course reach out to me and I can definitely help you on that part. And if you really like this video, please press the like button of this video, subscribe these channels, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.